Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn Masters Theorem. So to learn Masters Theorem there are mainly two cases, which is nothing but recurrence equation. Recurrence equation is T of n is equal to at n by b plus f of n, where this f of n we can also write as f of n is equal to t to the power of t into n to the power of d, and this is the case. So we need to learn this. And the second case is there will be three cases. So t of n is equal to, there will be three cases. So t of nd where if a is less than or equal to d. So if a is less than or equal to d, we have to consider this t of n. So the second one is t of n log n to the power of d log n base t if a is equal to b to the power of d. And the second and the third case is n log a to the base b, where if a is greater than b to the power of d. So there are three cases: a is less than and is equal to and greater than. If we in the Masters Theorem problem, if we get greater than, we need to consider this equation, this case. Then we'll get is equal to, then this second case, then greater than we'll get. If we get greater than, then third case. So let me solve an example on Masters Theorem. Let me take one example. T of n is equal to at n by 2 in plus n. So according to, like before I said, the first case, so t of n is equal to at a is 2t n by 2 plus n, so n by 2 plus fn. So according to that, let me write a is nothing but 2. So a is 2, I said a is 2, then b is 2, b is also 2, so b is 2, then n, so f of n, so f of n is equal to n, so f of n is equal to s. Before I said f of n is equal to n to the power of d, right? So f of n is equal to n to the power of d, so f of n is equal to, so f of n is equal to n to the power of d. So now n to the power of f of n is nothing but n, so f of n is nothing but n is equal to n to the power of d. So now we need n here. So if we need n, we need to so f of 1 is equal to n, right? So d is equal to 1. So d is equal to 1. So now we need to compare. Now we need to compare a and b to the power of d. So we know that a is 2 and b is 2 and d is 1. D is 1. So now 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2. 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. So is equal to 2, right? So now we got here the second case. We got here second case. So second case is nothing but so we got case 2, second case. So second case is theta n to the power of d log n base b, right? So theta n so here we got d, right? D is nothing but 1, so 1 log n b, so b is 2. Yeah, this is final answer. Thank you.